are going to learn about a new chapter, that is more on Windows 7. Let's begin. In this chapter, we are going to learn about Windows Media Player, how to copy CD to your computer, copying data to CD, displaying two windows at a time, exploring pictures, disk cleanup, more on Windows 7 features. What is Windows Media Player? As you can see here, Microsoft Windows Media Player is used to play and organize digital media, file, audio and video on a computer and internet. It also helps in copying CD to your computer. We can copy songs from our favorites, music CDs, DVDs onto our computer with Windows Media Player. When we read RIP music, we are copying the song from the CD to a computer. You can see here the pictures are given here. Now, what are the steps of copying data to CD? You need to insert a CD into your computer. The autoplay dialog box will appear. Click on the branch file to disk using Windows Explorer option. Burn a disk, after that followed by the disk title and next. Drag the file that you want to burn. Click on burn to disk button. You can see here how CD is burning. This is your CD-ROM. Now, displaying two windows at the same time. Open MS Word, MS PowerPoint program one by one. Now, right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on Show Windows Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application will be displayed side by side. This is a picture, it is given, you can see here. Now come to this one, exploring pictures. In the pictures folder, we can store digital photos, images and graphics files. To open this folder, click on the start button and then select the pictures option from the right pane. By default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnail. Click on the pictures to select it and double click on it to preview. We get a various button at the bottom of the pictures that helps us to manage the pictures. We can also view our pictures as icon of various size in the picture folder. You can see this is where we have got user public pictures. Sample pictures are given for the Windows 7. Now disk cleanup, you can see the picture how to clean your disks. If you want to remove the number of unnecessary files from your hard disk to free up disk space and to help your computer to run faster, use disk cleanup. The steps are given here. Click on the start, all programs, accessories, systems, tools, disk cleanup option you will get. After that, press OK and you need to select the drive, C drive, E drive, whatever you want to do. Now again come to this one. More on Windows 7, some of the features like touch screen, Windows 7 taskbar, Windows Mobile and jump list. So first of all, we need to know what is touch screen. With the touch sensitive screen, we can use our finger to browse online, flip through photos, etc. Windows 7 taskbar, it is easier to see, more flexible and more powerful. We can pin our favorites programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. Jump list, it's new features which takes us right to the document, pictures and songs that we are used frequently. Now Windows Mobile, you can see the pictures here. It's a software power advanced, easy to use device that allow the user to send and receive emails, browsing the internet and hundreds of applications that is available in one platform. You can see here this is a touch screen. You can see here taskbar. You can see here this is a jump list. You can see here Windows Mobile. Now what are the things that we have learned in this chapter? Windows Media Player, copying data to CD, burning CD we call as, display two windows at a time, exploring pictures, this cleanup, more on Windows 7 features. Thank you for watching. These are the content and design made by me. Okay.